Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix specified network name no longer available, and the error code you can see is 0x00000040 error on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are trying to connect the printer and you are seeing the error 0x00000040 specified network name no longer available, then I will show you how to fix this issue. In this, what you have to do, you have to just click on this search, then type here gp edit. Click on this edit group policy. Just maximize the screen and expand this also. In this, you can see here administrative templates. Double click and expand the printers. Under the printers, you just have to click on this printer, come to the right side. Here you need to find disallow installation of printers using kernel mode driver. You can see here disallow installation of printers using kernel mode drivers. Double click on that, then click on enable, then click on apply, then click OK. After that, click on this search, then type here services. Click on the services. In the services, you need to find computer browser. If you are unable to find computer browser service, what you have to do, you have to just close this window, then type here Windows Future. You can see here turn Windows Future on or off. Click on this. Scroll down. In this, you need to find SMB 1.0. As you can see, SMB 1.0. You have to just double click and expand it and check mark all these three options. Then click on apply. Then click OK. Then click on restart now. Now you have to open this search, then type here services. Click on the services, then find computer browser. As you can see, computer browser here. Before we were unable to find this services here. Now it's showing here. You have to just double click on that, select the startup type as automatic, click on apply, click on start, then click OK. After that, second service is server. Just scroll down, double click on the server, select automatic, click on apply, click on start, then click OK. And the third service is workstation. Again you have to scroll down. You can see your workstation, double click on that, click on select as automatic, click on start, click on apply, then click OK. After completion of this, just restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you like this. Please do subscribe my channel.